Hello everybody and welcome back to Travel with Tanvi with me Tanvi. So last video was all about shopping at Toshibag, and in my last video I said in my next video we'll find out what all did I bring, what all did I buy, and whether I was able to fit in my 2000 rupees budget or not. So I show you the things one by one and we'll calculate the price quoted and the price paid, and then we'll compare the both because it was a local market that I shopped at. And remember, when you're shopping at local markets, first ever thing that the prices are already less, and second, bargain. Do not forget to bargain because you can bring the price down by like almost 50% if you're good at bargaining. I'm really bad at bargaining, so I could not bring the price down like as much as it should have been. But yeah, I did manage to bring prices down for some of the items. So you'll find out at the end how much did I spend on the things that I've bought. So let's begin with the haul. Okay, so here are all the clothes that I have bought. I've bought a few t-shirts, I've bought two pajamas, I've bought a bag, I've bought a pair of shoes, I've bought wedges, and I've bought a pair of slippers. So I'll show it to you one by one what all did I bring. So first I'll go with the pajamas. So this is the first pajama that I bought. This is a lovely green color and it has got white leaves on it, and it's a great color for the summer, and I want to wear this in my house because it's a pajama, so it's really comfortable, and it is 3/4 in height. So yeah, it's really comfortable and the fabric is really soft, so I bought this. Then the second one that I bought, I'm actually wearing it right now. So it's like this. It's I just stand up so that you can get like a bit closer look. So it's like this. It's red in color and it's got white flowers on it with some black and gray designs. So this is the second pajama that I bought. Then t-shirt. So this t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, so this one, and this fabric is so soft, it's like a baby's, but I don't feel like taking it out, so I bought this t-shirt. Then I bought this t-shirt over here. So this is a nice so this one is like gray in color. I don't know what it looks like, black or something on camera I feel, but this is gray in color. And then I bought this is a blue color t-shirt, and I've bought like big t-shirts because all these t-shirts I'm going to wear it in my house. So whenever like I don't know about you guys, but I want comfortable and loose clothing. I like to wear loose clothing in my house when I'm at home. So I bought this. So it's like oversized t-shirts. I bought all oversized t-shirts. So this blue color t-shirt. After that, I've bought this t-shirt. This is red in color and it has a honeybee animated cartoon honeybee on it. So I've bought this t-shirt. Then after that I have bought this one. This is white in color. It's got full sleeves, so it'll be great to wear even during the winters when it's cold. And it's got the UK flag on it, and somehow I'm really fascinated with foreign countries. Not that I don't like my own country, I really do, but I am just fascinated with the foreign countries. So yeah, so I bought this. And I bought this again, white in color, which has got again the flag, UK flag on it, and it has got Eiffel Tower and it says England, England, England everywhere. So I've bought this. And the last one. Now don't tell me that this isn't cute. It's again white in color and it has got minion on it. Now tell me who doesn't love minions? Everybody does, and I really like the color. It's white, and white is like something that you can wear anytime anywhere. So yeah, white. And obviously I bought it for this because this is so cute, so I bought it for this. Then the clothes are over. Now it's time to move on to the footwear. So the first thing that I bought is these pair of slippers. I really needed slippers because my slippers, they've like torn apart, so I desperately needed a pair of slippers. So I bought these are like, it's not bright red, it's like red mixed with a little pink in it. And not because it's written pink over here, like even there were like, I guess, how many colors, 4 colors, uh, yellow, green, blue, red, and black, 5 colors, and all of them had pink written on it. I guess it's the name of the company or something, I don't know. So I bought these pair of slippers because I needed slippers. Then I was struggling to get shoes for myself, shoes or any kind of footwear, because my old shoes, they were torn and I had to throw them away. So I wanted a pair of shoes for myself. I just didn't know what to buy, like should I buy shoes or should I buy sandals or should I buy wedges. So I ended up buying these shoes. These are made of denim material, so this is denim over here and even this is denim, and they're really cool. If you can see, I have never seen this style before, like at least in my city, so I found them new, so I bought these. And then for those classy occasions or formal occasions, I bought these wedges. So they are high heels, not like really high, but they are wedges and they've got heels. So, and they are a pretty coffee color, so I bought these. And the last thing that I bought is this bag. So can you see this? This is like so lovely, and right from the time that this had come in the market, I was like, I need this in my life. But I knew that I have to go on a tour, and then usually when I go on tours I do a little shopping. So I thought that I'll just wait till I do the shopping for my tour, and then I'll buy the bag for myself. So I bought this bag because I needed it in my life at any cost. And this is again a denim material, excuse me. And it's got this, oh wow, I pulled it a bit too far, so no worry, I'll fix it. So it's got one compartment and it has a small chain compartment in, and then it has got one compartment over here and two compartments at the side. So a good buy. So I've bought this bag. So these are the items that I purchased from Tushibag. And now let us find out how much was the price quoted and how much did I pay, and was I able to fit into my 2000 rupees budget or not. Okay, so I ended up spending 150 rupees extra, but I think that I think it's fine because I'm not good at bargaining. If I was good at bargaining, I would have bought it for 1500 rupees. If I would have taken my mother along, I'm sure she would have helped me bargain, and the price would come down till 1500 or 1600. But it's okay. I mean, 2000 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 12 items. I think it's quite good.